Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट सर्वेइंग का पार्ट 10 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा सर्वेइंग का कुछ MCQ क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपका अपकमिंग गवर्नमेंट जॉब में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। Beside this class will be helpful for diploma civil engineering students, BTech civil engineering students and ITI civil and surveying students। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। 203 नंबर क्वेश्चन। In labeling, the effect of refraction may be taken as 1/7 of that due to curvature. When the effect of refraction is taken into account in labeling, the true staff reading is obtained by subtracting the correction for refraction from the observed staff reading. It is wrong. This statement is wrong. In labeling, the correction for curvature in meters is equal to 0.0785 d square. Correct answer B. Where d equal to distance from the label to the staff reading in kilometers. 206 number questions. In labeling, the correction for combined curvature and refraction in meters is equal to 0.0673 d square. The error which is not completely eliminated in reciprocal labeling is error due to refraction. Correct answer B. The line joining the points having the same elevation above the datum surface is called very important. It is very important. Contour line. Contour line. The contour interval depends upon the nature of ground, scale of map, purpose and extent of survey. All of these, यहाँ पे A, B, C तीनों ही आंसर होगा, तीनों का ही ऊपर डिपेंड करता। कंटूर इंटरवल। करेक्ट आंसर D. The vertical distance between any two consecutive contours is called contour interval. contour interval मैं थ्योरी क्लास में डिटेल्स डिस्कस किया था। contour interval क्या, डायग्राम लेके। The horizontal distance between any two consecutive contour is called horizontal equivalent. Correct answer B. The contour interval of any survey is inversely proportional to the scale of the map. Yes, it is correct. The contour interval should be constant throughout the survey. Correct answer A. The contour lines can cross on another on map only in the case of an overhanging cliff. Correct answer D. An overhanging cliff. When several contours coincide, it indicates a vertical cliff. Which of the following statement is wrong? यहाँ पे कौन सा स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, गलत है? A series of closed contours line on the map indicates a depression if the higher values are inside. It is wrong. मतलब है correct. A series of closed contour lines on a plane indicates a hill if the higher values are outside. It is wrong. मतलब है करेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन हिसाब से करेक्ट. द यूनिफॉर्मली स्पेस्ड contour lines indicates a plane surface. It is wrong. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर होगा डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबोव. ऑल ऑफ द अबोव. Contour lines cross ridge or valley lines at 90 degree. At 90 degree. The reduced level, सॉरी एक क्वेश्चन छूट गया, 218 नंबर क्वेश्चन. The points on a contour gradient will have the same elevation. It is false. उसके बाद देखो 219 नंबर क्वेश्चन. The reduced level of a point on the ground is called slope, spot level, spot height. Either A और B. A भी हो सकता, B भी, B आंसर हो सकता है. A और B दोनों में कोई भी आंसर हो सकता है. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर C. Either A और B. चाहे A आंसर होगा और B आंसर होगा. In route survey, the most suitable method of contouring is by cross section. By cross section. Correct answer C. The tachymetric method of contouring is particularly suitable when a contoured map of hill is required. Correct answer A. Correct answer A. The spacing of cross section in a hilly country is usually 20 meter. Correct answer D. In direct method of contouring, the best method of interpolation of contours is by arithmetical calculation. By arithmetical calculation. देखो अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशन 226 नंबर क्वेश्चन. The method of surveying in which field work and plotting work are done simultaneously एक साथ is called plain tabling 225 number question. In plane tabling, the instrument used to measure horizontal and vertical distances directly is known as telescopic elided. The plane table surveying is most suitable for preparing small scale maps, particularly advantageous in magnetic areas, less costly than a theodolite survey. यहाँ पे ए बी सी तीनों ही आंसर होगा. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ दी अबोव. In plane table surveying, field work is recorded in a field book to be plotted afterwards. It is wrong, disagree. 128 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो. The operation of turning the table so that all the lines on the paper are parallel to the corresponding lines on the ground is called orientation. Correct answer D, orientation. The plotting of small areas which can be commanded from a single station is usually done on the plane table by the method of radiation. Correct answer A, radiation. The method of intersection in plane tabling is commonly used for locating the distance and inaccessible points, locating the broken boundaries, locating the points which may be used subsequently as the instrument stations. यहाँ पे ए बी सी तीनों ही आंसर होगा. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. The method of plane tabling commonly used for establishing the instrument station only is a method of resection. Method of resection. उसके बाद देखो 232 नंबर क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू लेहोमैन्स रूल ऑफ प्लेन टेबलिंग, यहाँ पे ए बी सी तीनों ही आंसर होगा. आप लोग देख लीजिए, तीनों ही करेक्ट है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली करेक्ट आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ऊपर का all options are correct. 233 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो. the strength of a plane table from three known points is good if the middle station is nearer than the other two stations. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर ये, nearer. The strength of a plane table from 3 known points is poor. If the instrument station is nearer the great circle, it is correct. A reverse curve consists of a reverse curve consists of two arcs of equal or different radii between bending in the opposite directions. Correct answer D. A compound curve consists of two arcs of equal radius between in the same direction. It is wrong. Correct answer B. When the center of the arc lie on the opposite sides of the common tangent at the junction of the two curves, it is known as a reverse curve. A simple circular curve is designated by angle subtended at the center by a chord of particular length. Correct answer D. The degree of the curve is the angle subtended by a chord of, correct answer, 30 meter length. एक 240 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो. When r is the radius of the curve in meter, d is the degree of curve in degree, and length of the chord is 30 meters, then the relation between r and d, यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर r इक्वल टू 1720 अपॉन डी, 1720 अपॉन डी. ये very important questions. 241 number question. The angle between the back tangent and forward tangent of a curve is known as angle of intersection. Correct answer C. The angle by which the forward tangent deflects from the back tangent of a curve is called deflection angle. A deflection angle is equal to the difference between the angle of intersection and 180 degree. Correct answer C. Correct answer C. The length of peg interval for flat curve is 30 meter. 244 नंबर क्वेश्चन का आंसर 30 मीटर. When the length of a chord is less than the peg interval, it is known as subchord. The total length of the curve is equal to पाई आर फाई अपन 180। करेक्ट आंसर सी। The length of a long cord is equal to 2r sin phi upon 2. Correct answer C. The distance between the midpoint of the long cord and the midpoint of the curve is equal to r into 1 minus cos phi upon 2. Correct answer D. The deflection angle for any cord is equal to the deflection angle for the preceding cord minus the tangential angle for that cord. No, it is wrong. उसके बाद देखो, when the curve is to be set out over a rough ground, the method used is two theodolite method, टैचोमेट्रिक मेथड। यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर होगा डी। करेक्ट आंसर होगा डी। आइदर बी और ये दोनों में कोई भी आंसर हो सकता। ये दोनों में कोई भी आंसर हो सकता। सो गाइज, इट इज मच फॉर टुडे। अगर आप लोग हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए।